Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got a game changer for you. We'll be taking a close look at the best AC drain line cleaner available in the market. If you're tired of clogs, buildup, and costly repairs, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Meet the AC Drain Line Cleaner, a must-have solution for maintaining your AC system and preventing clogs and overflow problems. This product is a game changer because it's not just about cleaning your AC drain lines. It's about saving you from expensive repair costs and ensuring the quality and freshness of your appliances. Let's break down the details. This AC drain line cleaner comes in a convenient 2-pack, making it even more cost-effective. Here are some key features to highlight. This cleaner boasts a heavy-duty formula designed to break down and reduce buildup in your condenser drain line, drip pan, pump reservoir, and P-trap, effectively preventing clogging and backflow problems. It's versatile and suitable for various applications, including central AC units, whole house humidifiers, dehumidifiers, portable AC units, AC condensate pump reservoirs, and more. By using it monthly as a preventative measure, you can save on expensive repair costs or damages from flooding and overflow, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. This cleaner isn't limited to AC systems. It also breaks down buildup in soda fountain lines, ice maker lines, and more, ensuring the freshness and quality of your beverages and ice. Now, let's see how easy it is to use this AC drain line cleaner. Using this product is a breeze. Just follow these simple steps. Locate the AC drain line access opening. Pour 1 bottle of AC line cleaner into the access opening. Repeat this process once every 30 days to keep your lines clear and running safely. That's it. In just 5 minutes, you can prevent clogs and buildup in your drain lines and help protect and maintain your essential appliances. These testimonials speak for themselves, highlighting the effectiveness of this AC drain line cleaner. In conclusion, the AC drain line cleaner is a game changer in AC maintenance, helping you avoid costly repairs, prevent clogs, and maintain the quality of your appliances. With its heavy-duty formula and ease of use, it's a must-have for anyone looking to keep their AC system running smoothly. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to clogs and hello to cost savings, make sure to get your hands on the AC drain line cleaner today. And that wraps up our review for this fantastic product. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.